Welcome back. Today we're opening our libraries box from Coracrea. It is the November box. I'm a little behind on filming. Again, we have beautiful tissue paper here. And we have a box full of goodies. We have some tapes here I'm going to take out, some stickers. We'll get everything pulled out and we will take a look. So first off, we have two stamp sets, and this is unusual. We don't usually get two. We have one here, says stay calm and read on, very much a library vibe. Again, beautiful, beautiful stamps. And she always includes this Coracrea stamp, and I love that because when I use her stuff in my art journals, I like to stamp that so I know where it came from. And here we have, with love, yours sincerely. Lots of decorative stamps here. A pen. Beautiful stamp set. Okay, we have some paper sets here. These are beautiful sets. This is more of a slick paper. She doesn't usually have slick paper. Hers is usually more matte, but absolutely gorgeous. You can do some beautiful layouts with these. I love them. One thing I have a problem with paper, though, is covering up the beautiful designs on the paper. I'm working on being able to collage better with that, but still very difficult for me to do. Here we have a library sticker paper. Very beautiful. Different sections in the library for the books. Love that. Oh, these are beautiful too. I love these. Just imagine all the beautiful layouts you can do in your journals and art journals with these. I'm a big fan of vintage Gothic type design. I've always wanted to live in a big old castle. And here we have some library cutouts, I believe. So let's take a look here. Here you have an owl. grandfather's clock, beautiful statue, beautiful lamp, a stack of books, a writing desk, another bust, bookshelf, and a large bookshelf. Those are gorgeous. Here we have a library card stamp. Beautiful. It says name and date. A lot of fine detail in this stamp. And here we have a sticker tin. I love how her stickers come in a tin that you can store them in. You don't have to go out and get a different tin. Plus the front of the tin is labeled as to what you are getting. 36 stickers from the library collection. Oh, those are gorgeous. So we have a gentleman reading. We have a beautiful chair. A lady carrying books. And we have the inkwell and pen. Beautiful lantern. An hourglass, a pen, a scroll, glasses, and a bookcase similar to the other one we had, a dictionary, a large bookcase similar to the other one we had, a mantel clock, a microscope, a book stack, a globe, a step stool, and another beautiful scroll. Beautiful. Okay, the last two items we have are tapes. This is a washi tape of a bookshelf. That would make a wonderful separation in things and wonderful side borders in your journals. And here we have what looks like a PET tape. And these are kiss cut, so they'll be easy to remove. And we have more library items, bookshelves, chandeliers, keys, desks. Beautiful. And again, very long loop. We have a different kind of desk. There, that's where the loop starts over. So another huge, huge loop, which I really appreciate. And there's several loops on there. So this is the library box. Let me know if you got the library box, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Happy journaling, everyone.